Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this chilly winter day. It is end of December, January 25th. Bro, I gotta get through. Please let me through. Thanks. And it's a weird day because it's like it's supposed to be like 43 degrees and nice, and all of a sudden the sky is like white and the dampness is crazy. Oh, I forgot to turn on my gloves, son of a bitch. Yeah, and it's like all of a sudden it's like super duper chilly and wet, but it's okay. This is an opportunity to turn on my gloves. And yeah, decided to take a little ride, decided to make a little vlog, talk to you fellas, talk to you fine people. I had a topic in mind, and the topic was things to consider before buying a motorcycle, you know. That was one of the things I wanted to talk about. Freaking what are you fucking doing, you cocksucker? The bro pulled over and then kept going. What the hell was that about? Things to consider is, do you have the patience? Because that is important. Patience is important. I don't think there's a speed camera here, but there's definitely a light, which we got to make because there's no way I'm waiting for the next one, I'll tell you that much. Right now. So unfortunately, like, these commutes are just like I always say, they're not very good for productive vlogging, you know what I mean? They're just like they're good for a ride, but I'm about to start splitting and all this and that, and it's not gonna be fun. Things to consider. Well, one thing to consider is, are you actually going to ride the bike? Or are you going under an impulse that you want to be a motorcycle rider? It's insulting. It's insulting to suggest that, but it is realistic. Bro, this Rogue sucks. I had to overtake him because there's no way. Man, this vlog is not gonna happen. I can't, because I see the traffic is thick. I'm about to start fucking getting in there. No time to waste today, unfortunately. I'm running a little late. For me, motorcycle, not optional. It's such an important tool now for me that it's not something I can live without or get away from. But man, it's chilly. It got really wet. It's like 30 or something, and the humidity, it's the fucking humidity that really sets it off. Apparently there's like cops ahead over there. Meh. Reason to be splitting, because look at this, there's so many gaps. Over here there's cops and real traffic, but before that there's no reason for that at all. No reason for any of that. Look at this savage. If you're gonna make that kind of move, you better be smooth with it. Weird. No. Thanks, bro. Somebody's stoking some reefer. Smells like some weeds. We're gonna be able to go? No, maybe, kinda, sorta. Look at that. Somebody's splitting harder than me. That's cool. I can respect that. For a second I thought it was my ass. Oops. That guy's stuck. Should have rode a motorcycle. Come on, Platinum Ford. You could do this. We could do this together, my brother. What is it? 30... 36? That was colder than that. 36 is like fucking basically warm. Cute. Dumbo, beautiful vistas, big trucks, big slow trucks. Very unfortunate. Look at this big ass building. It's massive. I always wondered when they're gonna build one there. Man, this big ass truck, please tell me it's not taking a right. Oh, you fuck. How are you? Thank you, brother. There we go. Construction galore over here. Anything goes, really. Do whatever the fuck you want. Oh, there's another motorcycle up ahead. Wildness. I could have probably cranked my gloves to a 2 or a full 3. It's a little bit chilly. Oh, brother. All right, I'm gonna go this way. I didn't even turn on the turn signal. Which is, no, can't go right here. Gotta go straight. Here we go. Beautiful Dumbo. Always under construction, but still very much beautiful. What are you doing, bro? What is going on? My life, my rules. True. That's a fact. Nice little stop sign, little cheese block with a view of Manhattan Bridge. Oh god. So the thing is, at any point I can get blocked from fucking... Really, bro? You gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. How did I get stuck behind this motherfucker? This is madness. This is exactly what I was talking about. I literally was just about to say something about this shit. Fuck me. Fuck me. This is my life now. Following the freaking cat with the freaking fences. Well, let's call this pretending to do a vlog, because I couldn't do it. I couldn't succeed. Is he taking a right or a left or somewhere? Please. Please tell me he's turning. Please tell me there's a turn involved, motherfucker. Yeah, that's it, bro. Let me get through, bro. I'm fucking freezing over here, motherfucker. God damn. God damn. It's all good. Like, look at this shit. Bro, I need to fucking go through, you cocksmoker. Good lord. It's fucking more traffic between these trucks than on the fucking BQE. Oh my god, this is so wet. Cobblestones are wet and cold. What do we got? Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, so we can't park there. That is out of the question. They really are building in Dumbo. Alright. Right over here on this block is where we find our love. Technically I could park right there behind this Benz. It's not a bad spot. Over here could be a spot. Could it? Maybe. Yeah. I'll park right here. Nope, no parking anytime. Park right here? No, maybe, kinda, sorta. You motherfuckers, nowhere. Can't park anywhere here. That's fantastic. All right, we'll go around the block. It's not a big proposition. Is there any parking back there? Is it possible? No. There's no parking back here. We'll just go around. No parking Tuesday or Thursday. No, Tuesday. Can't park Tuesday right here. Cocksucker. I'll park right there. It's all good. This motherfucker is gonna go back and forth like 9 times. It's all good. Guess we'll just have to park back there by too tight, too tight. Yeah, can I go around them? Can I go? Thanks, bro. Another loop. I'm just gonna park back there at the end of the block. Not the best spot, but a spot nonetheless. And that's our life. Tuesday, Friday. There we go. We did it. Whoa, bro. Here we go. Very good. Good. Gonna be fine. Right over here. All this heavy fucking ass traffic going by. All right. Good. There's a chance that the bike will start again when I'm back.